I'd like to welcome you to the tutorial on how to access Epic, which is an online site where kids and adults can access free books. I will share with you how to get into the Epic site. First, you would need to type in getepic.com in your browser window. Once you do that, students will click on Students. If you notice, on my screen, my class code is to the left. Your student or child will click on the Enter Your Class Code box and enter your teacher's class code. Once you're in, you can click on Explore up at the top. You can do searches by many ways. You can do searches by genre, like if you want to read comic books or graphic novels. You can also search by AR level, which would be very helpful to eliminate anything that you really wouldn't be interested in. So I'm going to click on AR, and if you click on the down arrow, you can search by level. So let's say I'm a first grader and I'm reading at a first grade level at a 1.1 through a 1.9. As I do that, I can look at all the books that this collection would have as far as my level. It will range from genre to AR level. So if I start at this first one, I can look at all the books that are available to me at this level. If I want to continue searching, then I would simply scroll down and look at the different levels. We also have other features like books that are read to me, videos, and audiobooks. There is a difference between a read to me book or an audiobook. Let me click on Read to Me. Again, you can explore by grade level. So if I'm a third grader, I can click on the down arrow and click third grade. And you'll see that all of these books have a Read to Me sign. So I'm going to choose Martin Luther King to show you what I mean.
Abdo Kids, History Maker biography.
As you notice, it will highlight each word that it is reading so you and your child can follow along with the reading. This might be a book that is above their level, but it is still usable because it is highlighting the words that it is reading to you and your child. I click on.
He was born in Atlanta, Georgia.
If you notice, when I click on the arrow, it turns the page. And if you notice at the bottom of your page, you will have the play button, the speaker, and how many pages you have read so far. Let's now take a look at videos. Videos are just as it explains, a video. If you take your scroll bar to the side, you can scroll. It will recommend videos for you on things that you have maybe already read or explored through the site. Popular learning videos, videos about pets, sports, fantasy and magic, arts and crafts. So as you can see, there are many videos for you to view. Last but not least are audiobooks. And remember, I had explained that Read to Me and audiobooks are a little different. So as we explore, let's look at rattlesnakes. I'm going to click on rattlesnakes, and you'll notice that all of these have a purple little button that says audiobook. When I click on it,
Twin Sisters Digital Media presents Listen to the Rattlesnake.
you will notice that no pages have flipped, and you will only hear the audio and listen to the story. Again, you have your speaker button, you have your rewind, you have your fast forward, and you have your play button to listen to the book of your choice. If you no longer want to listen to this audiobook, you can also click on the X up here at the top to take you back to your main screen. Here's the fun part, where you get to explore what you want to read. If you like graphic novels like Big Nate or Fly Guy or Pet Shop Private Eye, you can physically search by author, title, or keyword. So I am going to search for Big Nate. Simply type it in the search bar and click search. You will notice that you have a variety of different Big Nate books that you will have to physically read yourself. It is not read to or read to me, and it is not an audiobook. If you hover over the book, it'll tell you the age range, the AR level, how many pages this book has, and a brief little summary of what the book is about. So I'm going to click on this first one just to show you what it looks like. Again, you will turn your pages and you can read your book on your own. If you find that you need to stop reading your book, you simply go up to the top and the X will appear. Once you exit, it'll take you back to your screen that you were at previously. Let's say you like Fly Guy. Simply type in the title, and there are only 2 books available, and these are audiobooks. So you will not see pictures, but you will hear the story. The next one I would like to show you is a very popular series called I Survived. When you click on it, you will notice that there are 4 audiobooks available. If I include the word series after the I Survived, it will not only include the I Survived books, but other books just like it. Videos, and here are our audiobooks. This is what your teacher will see. She or he will see their class log, which students have read which books, for how long, how many pages were flipped, and on what day. So if your teacher decides to assign some books for you to read, he or she can see how much of it you have read and how long it took you. Whether your teacher assigns you a specific book in the collection or you get to choose the book you read based on your level, you can go ahead and click on a book. So I'm going to click on Benjamin Franklin. If I click on this book, I will notice that my book is in Spanish because it says Benjamin Franklin SP, plus the words are in Spanish. If I want to choose a book in English, I will simply click on the X, go back to my selection, and I can click on Benjamin Franklin in English. Here is where I will read the words on my own independently, clicking on the pages to turn as I read. If you notice, it has the same feature. On the bottom, it'll tell you I have read 13 pages out of the 25. I'm so excited to bring this to you, parents and students. For the most part, our students know how to access the site. But in case they forgot, here's just a little reminder. This site is full of fun things to do, so I would encourage you to explore and judge for yourself. Thank you for watching and happy reading.